The Buick Encore GX introduces subtle updates while maintaining its premium subcompact SUV appeal. Notable changes include the addition of a brilliant red exterior color and the replacement of the standard spare tire with a tire inflator kit. These refinements enhance the vehicle's modern aesthetic and practicality, ensuring it continues to meet the expectations of discerning drivers. The Encore GX features a bold, modern exterior that blends sleek sophistication with sporty flair. Its sculpted body lines and refined stance create a strong visual presence, while the new front grille, paired with Buick's updated Tri-Shield logo, adds a contemporary edge. Signature checkmark-shaped LED headlamps not only improve visibility, but also give the front end a sharp, distinctive look. Trim-specific details set each model apart. The Sport Touring boasts black aluminum wheels and a gloss black mesh grille for a sportier vibe, while the Avenir trim delivers upscale style with 19-inch premium pearl nickel wheels and unique branding. Optional features like a panoramic moonroof and power liftgate round out a design that stands tall in the subcompact SUV class. The Encore GX offers two turbocharged 3-cylinder engines. The base 1.2-liter engine delivers 137 horsepower and is paired with a continuously variable transmission in front-wheel drive models. For those seeking more power, the optional 1.3-liter engine produces 155 horsepower and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission in all-wheel drive configurations. Both engines are designed for efficiency, with the 1.2-liter engine now E85 compatible. The car provides a smooth ride and responsive handling, making it suitable for urban driving and highway cruising. With its blend of performance and fuel economy, the vehicle stands out in the subcompact SUV segment. The Encore GX offers a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior, emphasizing comfort and quality materials. Front passengers enjoy 40.9 inches of legroom and 55.42 inches of shoulder room, while rear passengers benefit from 36.01 inches of legroom and 53.61 inches of shoulder room. The cabin features premium materials, including available leatherette seat trim with contrasting stitching, enhancing the upscale feel. Buick's quiet tuning technology, incorporating acoustic laminated glass and active noise cancellation, ensures a serene cabin environment by minimizing road noise. The interior layout is ergonomically designed, with controls and the ultra-wide infotainment display positioned for intuitive access. The car's interior combines generous space, high-quality materials, and thoughtful design to deliver a comfortable and refined driving experience. The Encore GX offers a modern, user-friendly infotainment system designed to keep drivers connected and in control. At the center is an 11-inch diagonal touchscreen paired with an 8-inch digital driver display, creating a seamless, high-tech interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing for easy smartphone integration without the clutter of cords. Available features like built-in Alexa, navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot further enhance connectivity and convenience. The system responds quickly with intuitive menus and crisp graphics that make navigation and media control simple. Whether you're streaming music, getting directions, or taking calls hands-free, the Encore car's infotainment setup brings a premium tech experience to the subcompact SUV segment. The Encore GX delivers impressive cargo versatility for a subcompact SUV. With the rear seats up, it offers 23.5 cubic feet of cargo space, plenty for groceries, gym bags, or weekend gear. Fold the 60/40 split rear seats flat, and the space expands to 50.2 cubic feet, easily fitting larger items like suitcases or sports equipment. A flat load floor and wide opening make packing and unloading hassle-free. An available hands-free power liftgate adds convenience, allowing access to the cargo area with a simple foot motion under the bumper. From daily errands to road trips, the car offers flexible storage that meets the needs of drivers who want practicality without sacrificing style. The Encore GX prioritizes safety with a suite of advanced driver assistance features and strong crash test ratings. Standard safety tech includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and a following distance indicator. Available features like adaptive cruise control and a high-definition surround vision camera further enhance driver confidence. In crash testing, the Encore GX earned high marks, receiving a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. It also scored well with the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, achieving good ratings in all major crashworthiness categories. These results, paired with its comprehensive safety features, make the vehicle a smart choice for peace of mind on the road. The Encore GX delivers a refined driving experience, blending comfort with responsive handling. Its suspension system effectively smooths out road imperfections, ensuring a serene ride even over uneven surfaces. The steering is precise and well-weighted, contributing to confident maneuverability in various driving conditions. While not overtly sporty, the car maintains composure through corners with minimal body roll, offering a balanced and controlled feel. The available 1.3-liter turbocharged engine provides sufficient power for daily driving, and the optional all-wheel drive system enhances traction in adverse weather. The vehicle stands out in the subcompact SUV segment for its comfortable ride quality and competent handling characteristics. The Encore GX delivers solid fuel efficiency, with the larger engine surprisingly offering the best ratings. The turbocharged 1.3-liter 3-cylinder engine, when paired with front-wheel drive and a CVT, achieves an EPA-estimated 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Interestingly, the smaller 1.2-liter engine falls slightly behind at 30 miles per gallon highway. Drivers who choose the 1.3-liter with all-wheel drive and the 9-speed automatic transmission can expect up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This efficiency, combined with the car's refined ride and compact size, makes it a practical choice for daily commuting and weekend travel. Buick balances power and economy well, giving drivers a fuel-efficient subcompact SUV without compromising performance or versatility. The Encore GX offers comprehensive warranty coverage, providing owners with confidence and peace of mind. The standard bumper-to-bumper limited warranty spans 3 years or 36,000 miles, addressing repairs due to defects in materials or workmanship. Complementing this, the Powertrain limited warranty extends to 5 years or 60,000 miles, covering essential components like the engine and transmission. Buick also includes 5 years or 60,000 miles of roadside assistance, offering towing, flat tire changes, and battery jump-start services. For added protection, the optional Buick Platinum Extended Warranty covers over 1,000 components and can extend total coverage up to 8 years or 96,000 miles, all with a $0 deductible. This robust warranty package underscores Buick's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The Encore GX offers a compelling blend of premium features and accessible pricing within the subcompact SUV segment. The base preferred trim starts at $27,195, providing a well-equipped entry point for buyers seeking comfort and technology. The mid-level sport touring trim begins at $28,395, adding sporty design elements and additional amenities. For those desiring top-tier luxury, the Avenir trim is priced at $32,695, featuring upscale materials and advanced technology. These prices reflect the manufacturer's suggested retail pricing and may vary based on dealer incentives and regional factors. Overall, Encore GX's pricing structure positions it competitively, offering a range of options to suit diverse preferences and budgets.